let's move on now to packaging. Packaging. It is very important that product meets standards that make it competitive in international market. A product that will be sustainably successful in international market must have the following characteristics: processed, not raw material. Processed, not raw material. Package to prevent damage and proper presentation. Promotion to be known to the intending buyers. Potentials. Buyers must be interested. Pictures. Take a very beautiful picture and use it for advert. Pronunciation. The name should be easy to pronounce. If your product is going abroad, use a name that is easy to pronounce. People. Excellent customer service and partners. Contact abroad for after-sales service. So a product that will have a good advantage in the market: process, package, promotion, potential, pictures, pronunciation rather, and people. Let's look at the next thing. If it's a food product, the food product must have the name of the food, weight. This is the labeling: weight or volume, the list of ingredients in descending order of weight, how the food should be stored where appropriate, the date when the food should be eaten, genetically modified ingredients and allergen, if any, traceability, the name and address of the manufacturer and distributor, nutritional information on the back of the pack, transparent to make the content visible, the source, country of raw materials, production, barcode, preparation instruction. All these should be there if it's a food item. So what I will do now is to show you some pictures. Look at these pictures. This is a Nigerian branded product. So why will I want to go into black soap. I want to go into natural skincare product. Why can't I go to Modara and say, Modara, please, can you produce for me my brand? Modara will be making more money. I don't need to be the manufacturer of the product. There are a lot of brands in Nigeria that can produce for you. If we can team up with manufacturers in Nigeria, I can assure you within a short time, Nigerian SME are going to blow up, grow massively. Why? Because everybody is helping everybody. Everybody should be helping everybody. TEAM, together everyone achieve more. We should be seeking collaboration right now. Look at this. These are well-packaged products for the export market. Look at shea butter. Imagine the shea butter. This is a Nigerian product. It's already put in ounce. You can see that it's already targeting North American market. You can see it's already this lady is just too much. Just too much. She's already targeting North American market. You can put French on it. If you want to target the Francophone countries. Look at another one. Look at pap. This is the pap that I export. I've been doing this export for 2 years now. This lady has produced for someone else, and I will show you the brand of that person right now. So the model I'm telling you is something I'm already preaching, and people are already accepting and absorbing and using. This lady right now is producing for different clients of mine. But I currently export a pap. I've done over almost 20 shipments in 2 years. I have a distributor in the UK. Almost 20 shipments in 2 years. Every other month, I'm shipping this product to the UK. Almost every other month. And just 2 weeks ago, we did the same product plus kuli kuli plus granuts. You know, kuli kuli, Asians use it in their soup. You use it for snacks, but Asians use it in their soup. Look at another one, unique natural, shea butter. Another shea butter. This, you don't go and start producing yourself. You can do your production in future, by the way. But I can assure you, in this Nigeria, you will find people who will produce for you in your brand. Just go and do your packaging and take it to them. When they finish production, they close it for you. You see this product, Adares. Adares is one of the pride of 3T Impacts. We came up with this concept last year. Adares bought into it. This product is currently having NAFDAC. But guess what? This product is produced by this manufacturer. The manufacturer of this product is the one that produced the content here. You see this brand name? This brand name is a different brand name. But this factory is the one producing this product. This factory is the one producing this one. So I'm basically showing you a picture of product that I have literally worked with to achieve this objective. So I'm not telling you what is not possible. I'm telling you what we have not just preached and people have done successfully. I have about 3 people already on this, and I have many online, in line rather, at different stages in getting to this point. What am I trying to say? I'm basically saying that we need collaboration so that you don't say that, I want to go and do commodity. Why? Because I don't have money for factory and I can't do this, I can't do that. Please, 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 let's hold on this concern of you setting up your factory. You know, because we've not learned to work together, it has made it difficult for us to grow in Nigeria for SMEs. If you go to a number of countries around the world, from South Africa to Europe to UK to US, majority of people selling Nigerian African products are not Africans. They are Asians. And I heard a story about how they emerge, how they come up to that point. 5 people having 1,000 pounds each can come together and set up a shop of 5,000 pounds. Shop, a supermarket, 5,000 pounds. 5 of them. As the business grow, they will use the profit to go and set up for another of them. That will be 2 shops now, owned by 2 of them. As business grow, they will set up the 3rd shop. Before you know it, in another 10 years, they are set up 5 shops, 5 supermarkets. And they are still working together, but they are now running independent market. But they are going to source together. So 5 people going to buy together. Imagine how much they can buy. They will buy large volume at a low price. Those Asians selling in the UK have warehouse in Nigeria where they buy, where they aggregate together. And they ship it out to UK. There is this company in UK called Wallis. If you are a frequent visitor, you visit UK, look for that Wallis. That company sell predominantly African Nigerian products, but owned by Asians. No Nigerians have been able to beat them in terms of volume of sales. What am I trying to say? We need collaboration more than ever before. That's the way we can scale within a short time. Look at Toke Cosmetic. I know Toke Cosmetic one-on-one, and I'm very blown away the way Toke has grown. Toke can produce for you. Look at Toke Natural Soap. I'm advertising them. Yes, they didn't tell me to advertise them, but I'm advertising them. I love their product, and I want you to partner with them to produce for you. If you want to do this kind of product, don't go and set up a factory. Let them produce for you. So when you give them money, they won't be depending on financial institution not funding them. They will have enough capacity to produce, and all of us grow together. Together, everyone achieve more. Imagine this. You know, when I saw this, I could not believe my eye. This is Toke product, shea butter. Just imagine this product. Just imagine it. And when this lady started, you know, that's why it's good not to despise the day of little beginning. When this lady started, you'll be shocked. You will look at the product, you'll be wondering, but she has a vision. Amazing lady. Has a vision, but look at what she has made out of it. So what I'm basically preaching today is, let's work together. Look at other products. These are pictures I took in the UK. Look at a different way you can package products, fruit products, banana products. These are different way you can package them. Plantain chips. This is roasted peanuts. This is rice. Now, look at this. This is rice. By the way, this is rice ready to eat. This rice said, come home to Nigeria, but produced in India. I bought it myself in a shelf in the UK, 1.5 pounds. That's the price. This is jollof rice. All you need is open it up, put it in microwave for 2 minutes. Look at it, 2 minutes in microwave, it's ready to eat. This is produced in India and sold in the UK. Why can't we produce? So that means even our jollof rice, our regular meal have huge, huge potential. Look at this, date palm. This is date palm. This is granite. Why must our granite be in a bottle? Why must it be in a bottle? Why can't we repackage it? You know why we're not repackaging it? Sometimes it just does not speak well, really. Because why can't we package granite in this way? Why? Why can't we put a granite roasted in shell and out of shell? This is a very simple packaging.